In this video, we will be going over the DropBox upload function I wrote as part of my Powershell for Hackers repository I put together on GitHub. The link for this repository will be in the description below. The first thing you want to do is navigate over to dropbox.com where you will sign up for a free account. After you have done that, you want to head over to dropbox.com/developers/apps. Over on the right hand side, you will see a button that says Create App. You will be asked to choose an API. Go ahead and select the only one that is currently available, the Scoped Access option. You're going to want to select App Folder, as there's no need for full Dropbox access. Finally, go ahead and name your app. I'll call mine Jakoby's Loot. From here, you're going to want to click on the Permissions tab. Make sure to check the same boxes as I do to make sure this process operates correctly. When you're done, just go ahead and hit Submit down at the bottom. Your DropBox account has now been set up properly. Click back on the Settings tab. From here, you can go ahead and scroll down and generate your access token. This token is good for up to 4 hours after it has been generated. Go ahead and copy this token and paste it into Notepad. Next, we want to go back to my GitHub repository. Copy and paste my function into Notepad as well. Now go ahead and copy your token again, but this time paste it into my function where it says to put your Dropbox access token here. You are now ready to exfiltrate some data to your loot folder. Now before we get into the implementation of this function, I'm going to break it down line by line to show you what is actually going on. Having at least a basic understanding of the theory is what will make the difference between calling yourself a hacker as opposed to just being another script kiddie. If you're wanting to garner any level of respect in this community, this step is essential. Just copying and pasting my functions alone won't do it. And when you get to the point where you really want to customize your own scripts, you'll be unable to. Don't be a script kiddie, learn from this. So let's get into it. In this first line, we are going to be defining a parameter. This is the variable we are going to use to store the path of the file we want to upload to Dropbox. The Dropbox access token variable is where we're going to store your token that we are using to identify where this file will be uploaded to. It is also important to understand that this token is essentially your Dropbox login credentials, so you don't want to share it with anyone. The app and the token I am using here will be deleted before this video is uploaded. Next, we have the output file variable. This is just separating the name of the file from the path you provided and saving it in its own variable. The target file path is just further formatting the output file variable to be used later. The arg variable will be formatting the file path for the upload and setting the mode to add. The authorization variable will be formatting the access token for the upload. This next block of code with all the headers variables is what allows the client and servers to pass the information you provided forward via HTTP. And finally, we have the invoke REST method that brings all of this together to post the file you provide up to Dropbox. Copy that entire function and paste it into a PowerShell window. Now, using either of the following syntax options, you can upload a file to your Dropbox. Watch your loot folder as you run this command. Right-click on the file you want to upload and click Copy as Path. Paste the path you just copied into the PowerShell window. Follow that with the pipe character and finally the function name. And you have now officially exfiltrated your first bit of loot. Congratulations. You can use this function to exfiltrate any data you want, from Wi-Fi passwords to any system info you can get a hold of. Feel free to check out the rest of my functions in the Powershell for Hackers repository. If it is helpful, leave a star. And if you like this video, drop a like. To see more content like this, subscribe. I am Jakoby. My crime is that of curiosity. And yeah, curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Till next time.